Oh, he's putting up a fight now. Is he gonna attack it? Look, he's gonna go after it. Here he goes. Look at this. Look at that. That is nutty. Here I thought they ate like leaves and things. Learn something new every day. Go spider to gross. Why don't you eat that spider? I don't like them. And he's on it. You see him pounce on that thing? This is like a train wreck. I'm sorry. It's morbid, but it's fascinating at the same time. Morbidly fascinating. Or fascinatingly morbid. Nutty. Nutty. I'll see how he likes a cigarette. Hey, buddy. Cigarette. He's not even fazed by it.